Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at the topic of sciences. Now, when we talk about sciences, we can subcategorize science into two main branches. The first being human sciences and the second being natural sciences. Human sciences such as law. Law is the study of human rights. Now, you might ask, what do you mean by rights? Rights, for instance, you can say human rights, women rights, children rights, animal rights. For example, you could argue, doesn't mean I agree to this, but you could argue that in China there is a violation of human rights because people are not allowed to vote in the democratic system. Or you could argue that in Saudi Arabia there is a violation of women's rights because women are not allowed to drive. Or you could argue that in many Western countries, especially in the United States, there is a violation of animal rights because many animals are used for experiments, especially for the production of cosmetic products. Or you could argue that in India there is a violation of children's rights because many children are forced to work at a very young age, as young as 9 years old. So law is the study of rights, and the person who studies law is a lawyer. However, politics is the study of governing, is the study of how to govern people, and the person who studies politics is a politician. Philosophy, on the other hand, is the study of thought, and the person who studies philosophy is a philosopher. By thought, we mean school of thought. For example, you could have a Marxist philosophy, or you can have an Islamic philosophy, or you can have a Christian philosophy, or you can have a humanistic philosophy. It's the way people think. Then we could have psychology. Now, psychology is the study of the mind, and the person who studies psychology is a psychologist. However, sociology is the study of the society, and the person who studies sociology is a sociologist. So we could say Dr. Shariati was a famous Iranian sociologist, whereas Sigmund Freud was a famous German psychologist. Then we have history, and history is the study of the past. However, the person who studies history is a historian. And geography is the study of maps. And archaeology is the study of old monuments. For example, studying how the Wall of China was made, or studying how Persepolis was made, or studying how the Tower of Pisa was made. It's the study of old ancient monuments. However, astronomy is the study of stars and space, and the person who studies astronomy is an astronomer. Having said that, astrology is the study of personalities and being able to tell people's personality from the month that they were born based on zodiac signs. And always people make a mistake between astrology, which is a science and a study, or you could argue it's a science. Some people say it's not a science at all. But astrology is the study of personalities, whereas astronomy is the study of stars and space. Now, that is human sciences. When we talk about natural sciences, we have physics, which is the study of energy. We have biology, which is the study of living organisms. And microbiology, then, is the study of small living organisms, such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Chemistry, on the other hand, is the study of elements. And initially, there were only 4 elements: fire, earth, wind, and water. But now we have over 100 elements, such as helium, magnesium, nitrogen, and neon, which is used in the light bulbs. Then we have anatomy, which is the study of the human body, medicine, which is the study of drugs, botany, which is the study of plants, and a person who studies botany is a botanist, And then we have zoology, which is the study of animals. And zoologist is the person who studies animals. However, having said that, what you have to understand is that if botany is the study of plants, and zoology is the study of animals, and agriculture is the study of growing plants, then what is husbandry? Yes, husbandry. It's not the study of husbands. I know what you're thinking. No. Husbandry is the study of how to raise animals. And the word husband, in some weird way, is very much close to the word husbandry. Go figure. Natural sciences and human sciences. What is your favorite form of science?